guys, welcome back to Dreamworld 22. Today's video is going to be about flowers. Among the most beautiful objects of nature, flowers enjoy the pride of nature. They are a delightful sight. They please our eyes and delight our hearts. They are indeed the smile of nature. There are many things in nature for which we should be thankful. One of them definitely has to be flowers. There are many types of flowers which we see in our environment. Their beautiful fragrance and flowers enchants the beauty of our planet Earth. Flowers like rose, the jasmine and the rajnigandha are very sweet smelling. Some common flowers like the lotus, the marigold, the sunflower, poppy, etc. are really beautiful to look at. A thing of beauty is joy forever. Flowers are therefore a perennial source of joy. They are not only things of beauty but also useful for the supply of honey, which is both food and medicine. Bees gather honey from flowers and store it up in their hives, from which we get honey. Flowers carry importance in each nook and corner of the world. They also come in use for medicines. Similarly, we also make a difference in fragrance, perfumes with the help of flowers. Further, the butterflies, birds and bees take the flower as food. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is a genus of flowering plants. It is often grown as gardening plants in warm climate. Bougainvilleas first came from South America. They are climbing plants grow from decoration in tropical countries and in the southern United States, Canada's national flower. Jasmine. The main reason jasmine is so famous is its strong fragrance. People adore the flower for its strong, sweet smell. Countless cultures worldwide include it. Aromatic products like candles, perfumes, soaps, and lotions. Lilies. The lily is a beautiful flower, ranked as the fourth most popular flower across the globe. Based on the color or type, the lily flower can convey different meanings. White lily conveys modesty, orange lily, passion, lily of the valley, sweetness and purity of heart, tiger lily, mercy and compassion. Jungle flame. In Asia, they have been using jungle flame for generations for ornamental purposes and also for its medicinal qualities to treat diarrhea and fever. It comes in bright red, orange, pink, yellow and white colors. The red color is the most common color. Sunflowers. A few facts about sunflowers are that each sunflower is actually thousands of teeny flowers. Each sunflower can contain as many as 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. Sunflowers are native to North America. Sunflowers track the sun